Hello guys, thank you for watching and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you like and subscribe. Enjoy! So guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do an unboxing. Actually, I already opened this, so the package looks like this. Yeah. So I bought it at the Mous website. So this is the packaging. So you just open it like that, tear it, and that's there. Okay, we're greeted with this mouse case. Close up. This is the MagSafe new edition of the mouse case. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is Aero Shock. Okay. Alright. And then you've got this card here. This video with magnets, pacemaker, and ICD user advised not to position the limitless 3.0 case within a 10 cm radius of their implanted device as it may cause interference. Oh dear. So it's not advisable for people who's got magnetic implants. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, so actually let's try to put it on. Okay. So if you've watched my video, that's the iPhone 12 Pro Max vegan lens protector. So we just snap it aside. Using one hand as I'm filming. That's it. Smudges all over. Sorry guys. So it fits really well with the vegan lens protector case. It's very slippery. It's very smooth and slippery guys. So I've contacted Mous case staff. They said that you can put the pop-ups, you know, the one you put here to hold your phone. It's really risky for slipping, but anyways, it should be fine because they're very reliable with their product dropping. So but if you want to put, you can do so, but you should have to leave it there permanently, not take it off, and then there's smudges or stickers that will leave the case, then the warranty will be void. So you just keep it there and the warranty will be applicable. So thanks for watching and I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.